Hi there, this is the POWERTEC table saw small part sled, and it comes with everything that you see here. Adjust the nylon side screws to remove any play in the miter slot. This jig slides on a single miter bar, so it needs to be as secure as possible. As you can see, all of the pre-drilled holes are countersunk. There's also a plastic guard to protect you and to help keep a visual on the blade at all times. Set the blade to no higher than 2 inches. The kit also comes with a safety miter stop. Insert the zero clearance MDF board. Tighten with the provided flathead screws through the pre-drilled holes. This time, set the saw blade height to the same height as the zero clearance MDF insert. Sew through the insert and remove the excess MDF board. Next, line up the drop-off ramp insert with a kerf and screw it in place. With the attached tracks, you can also add hold-down clamps to the sled.